Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you the best settings for OBS Studio, the newer one. Yeah, I'm going to be recording in OBS Studio as we do this, but I'm just going to show you the settings. Okay, so first of all, you're just going to want to have display capture here just to do everything. This is really trippy. Okay, so obviously we're going to go into settings. This is going to be for recording, not for streaming. So I could do a separate tutorial for that because I think my streams look decent. So first of all, we're going to want to go to output and we're going to want to go to recording. This is where your videos are going to be saved. So just click on browse and then choose your folder. And then you're going to want to make sure this says MP4. I don't know about any other ones, but MP4 files are the ones that you could actually edit. So yeah. There are different audio tracks. I use them for this one is the microphone, this one is the gameplay, and this one's both combined. So if I just want to hear the gameplay or my voice or something, yeah, and you can choose between them. And for encoder, you're gonna, if you have a graphics card, obviously this is gonna be for gaming. If you don't have a graphics card, if you have a NVIDIA graphics card, you're gonna want to choose NVENC H264. You're never gonna want to do X264 because if you're playing games, X264 uses your CPU. This uses your graphics card power, so it makes it less laggy. I recommend this one. Rescale output, whatever you put it to, it'll rescale the video. So in this case, it's 1080p, and it always will be 1080p. So yeah, if you want that to be rescaled, you click it, and then it'll downsize it to whatever you choose, or upsize it. Custom mixer settings, just leave that alone. Rate control, use CBR. Bitrate, I use 40,000, but that's because my computer can handle it. Sometimes it'll say in the bottom corner, encoding overloaded, blah blah blah. That's just when things are loading in games. I got screenshots. And bitrate, I use 40,000, but if your computer's like not really good, I recommend 20,000, 15 to 20,000 for lower ends, higher ends 20 to 40,000. Preset, you could go high quality or high performance. High quality is obviously gonna make the quality of the video higher. Obviously, high performance is gonna be lower quality, and but it's gonna perform way better. Profile, I choose high. I don't really know that. I'm gonna be honest to you guys. I got all these settings from tutorials, but then I edited them, some of them, to fit my computer. Audio, obviously you could leave this alone, but yeah, there's not much to do there. Video, gonna make sure it's whatever your resolution is of your monitor. Mine's 1080p. This is the scaled resolution of the video. Again, you could edit it in two places, I think. Downscale filter, there should be like 3 or something options here. I use lens ghost, sharpening scale 32 temples, and FPS. You could either, well, you could choose whatever you want, but if you want 60 FPS for it to look really smooth, choose 60. If you want it to look really clean, but your computer can't handle it being so high, I use 30. Hotkeys, I don't mind those. Process priority above normal. Yeah, I don't really mess with any of this stuff because I don't know how to, but yeah, that's pretty much all the recording things. Yeah, here's just some gameplay with other games using these. I personally like it really lots. I used VSync for all of them just to make it look even cleaner, but I don't usually play Fortnite with VSync on. Far Cry 5 is pretty good. I think there's minor, like, little frames of lag every now and then. Same with Fortnite. But not so much with Far Cry. Far Cry 5 is a good game. And Rainbow Six Siege, I'm not really good at any of the games except for Far Cry. I've been playing a lot of that. Not really good at Siege or Fortnite yet. I kind of stopped playing Fortnite. Anyways, that's enough of me rambling. If you'd like more tutorials, maybe I'll even do a streaming one for the next one. But yeah, anyways guys, peace.